Today we are going to discuss some problem based on principle of mathematical induction. Now students, one thing is that as we have done the problem in full-fledged manner in proper wording, so in practice sometime we skip the formal steps. So remember this thing. So first problem is prove by PMI that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to so on 1 by 2 raised the power n is 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised the power n. So here left hand side is 1 by 2 and right hand side is 1 minus 1 by 2. Putting n is equal to 1. So it becomes half. So result is true for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, it is true. Now let us assume the result is true for p of k. That means we have to put n is equal to k everywhere. Now we will prove the result for n is equal to k plus 1 if it is true for n is equal to k. So we will write the term for n is equal to k plus 1, and before that we will also write the term containing n is equal to k, that means kth term. So right hand side become 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power k plus 1. So as usual we will put the value for up to kth term from equation number 1 which we have assumed. So writing the value. Now next steps are algebraic steps. I am taking 1 by 2 raised to power k common from the bracket, from these two terms, and in the bracket become 1 minus 1 by 2 which is half. Now bases are same, so power will be added, so hence the result is true for all natural numbers. Now sometime in question of PMI there are not terms but basically factors are there. So left hand side of this expression is a single term containing n factors. So what I am going to do, I am basically principle is same. I am putting n is equal to 1. So left hand side is first factor only, which is 1 plus 3 by 1 or 4. In the right hand side I am putting n is equal to 1 which is 4. So result is true for n is equal to 1. We have checked. Now p of k, suppose p of k is true. So that means we have put n is equal to k everywhere. Now for k plus 1 I have to write one more term. So I am putting n is equal to k plus 1 in the left hand side. Remember the bracket. And in the right hand side also I am putting n is equal to k plus 1. So this is the expression which we have to prove. So up to kth value I am putting the expression k plus 1 whole square from equation number 1. So rest is very easy. Take the LCM and cancelling the common factor, and what we are left with k square plus 4k plus 4 which is k plus 2 whole square. So this is right hand side. The result is true for all natural numbers. Now these were some series completion kind of question. Now let us come to next type of question, which are divisibility type. In divisibility type of question there are one or two differences. That first of all, there is no left hand side or right hand side officially given. The question is written in the wording like prove by PMI that 3 raised to the power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 8. Simply it is written like this. Now what we have to do, we have to create the mathematical expression by own. Like first step is simple. For n is equal to 1, I am putting n is equal to 1 here. It is coming out to be 8, and which is clearly divisible by 8. Now p of k is true. I am assuming this. That means I am putting n is equal to k, and now I am writing this expression like if this is divisible by 8, then this has to be equals to multiple of 8 or 8m, so that I can write this as 8m. So this is a mathematical expression which I am making. This is a difference between these type of question and series completion kind of question. Second difference is that I try to make the heaviest term isolate. Here clearly 3 raised to the power 2k is bigger term, so I'm trying to find its value in terms of other. This is very important step in order to make the question easier. So 3 raised to the power 2k is 8m plus 1. This is my equation number 1. Now for n is equal to k plus 1, what I am going to do, I am putting n is equal to k plus 1 here with the proper bracket. So it becomes like this, 2 in the bracket k plus 1. So I have to prove that this is divisible by 8. Now opening the bracket, so what I have to do now, I want to show this term exclusively here so that I can put the value. So applying law of exponent, I have separated this factor. Now I am putting the value of 3 raised to the power 2k, which is 8m plus 1. Now one suggestion is from my side, when you try to open the bracket, then don't actually multiply the terms. Rather, I know what is 9 into 8, it is 72, but still I don't want to multiply. Try to make this as habit, because when terms are heavy or calculation is complex, so this habit will save your time and energy. So I am writing just as 9 into 8m plus 9 into 1 is 9, so 9 minus 1 is 8. Now clearly I can take 8 common, and overall I have written 8 into this number, and as m is natural number, so this whole bracket is representing natural number. So we have shown that this expression is 8 into a natural number, that is why it is divisible by 8. Let us try this on one more question. Prove by PMI that 7 raised to the power 2n is divisible by 48. Now again, for n is equal to 1, result is true. For n is equal to k, let us assume the result, and let us try to find the value of 7 raised to the power 2k exclusively by shifting 1 to the right hand side. So that now for n is equal to k plus 1, put n is equal to k plus 1 here and with proper bracket. So expression becomes 7 raised to the power 2k plus 2 minus 1. After that I am splitting by law of exponent. So now I am putting 7 raised to the power 2k here. So it is 48m plus 1 into 7 square minus 1. Now that thing which I was telling you, that when you multiplying 49 with 48, so never actually multiply, but just write 48 into 49m, and 49 into 1 is 49, so 49 minus 1 is 48. So clearly 48 is common to these two terms. I am taking 48 common, and finally I have reduced this expression as 48 into something natural. So that's it. We have proved that this is divisible by 48. So hence the result is true for all natural number. So that's it. You can try these 3 questions for your practice. So all the results are for natural numbers. So okay, that's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.